Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up and I was just like in a vlogging mood, and I usually only vlog like when I go on trips and stuff, but today I just felt like vlogging my regular suburban life. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I don't even really know if I'm doing much like vlog worthy, but hey, I just felt like vlogging, and now I'm out of school, so like I can focus more of my time on like my social media and YouTube and stuff. So basically what I'm doing right now, I'm going to the Bay Area, and my dumbass decides to leave my house at 4:30, which is like when it's rush hour, and it's like the type of traffic that I hate. It's like when you go for like 1 minute, or not even 1 minute, like you move forward for 30 seconds, stop, move forward, stop. Like that's like the worst type of traffic, you know? Hella irritating. But yeah, so since I'm kind of bored right now, I decided to, as part of the vlog, do like a mini, like my favorite songs of the month type drive with me thing. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because I heard like YouTube has been playing people and like your videos won't show up unless you turn on that bell, like so you know every time I post. So yeah, be sure to do that as well. Yeah, let's just get into the video. This is like my favorite song right now.
Ballin' like I'm in the NBA. Know these rats cannot see TSA. They found me, now I had to relocate. Finna take off on spaceship. Watch these hoes like Matrix. Make me just like a champion. No TSA, hop on a jet, we gone. Smash out.
There's this car next to me and the doors are like painted white and the car's black, so I keep thinking it's a cop, but like it's literally just a car. Like I was just spooked for a second. I'm really not trying to get a ticket out here. I recently got one, which is like hella annoying. It was okay, the only ticket I've ever gotten in like my 5 years of driving has been like for a rolling stop sign, or like a rolling stop sign, or like a California stop. And that was like, my first one was like when I was 17, I think. And then the most recent one was like a few weeks ago. Like it was after I was studying for finals, and then I went to go get food, and then I was on my way back to the library, and like I was kind of in a rush. And okay, I definitely stopped, but then like I went, and out of the corner of my eye I noticed like a cop, and I was like, oh, like I hope he didn't notice me, like I hope he didn't see me. Next thing you know, I just see like some flashing lights behind me, and my ass, like I just kept driving. I was like, oh, maybe it's not for me, like whatever. I kept driving, and then eventually like he was like, hey, pull over, like whatever. And I was like I'm really not trying to pay this, like whatever. So long story short, just be sure to fully stop.
What you want?
Song gets me so hyped, like the song just gets me hyped.
1 year it's Illuminati, next year it's a sunken place. They don't want me to change, nah, I need to run in place. I need someone else to make this drink, because you don't understand the juice to vodka ratio that can satisfy a real drunk. Guess what? Never trust a bartender that don't drink, bitch. This is America. Don't got you slipping now. Don't got you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't got you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping.
Someone literally just cut me off, like how rude.
How rude.
So that's pretty much all the songs I'm gonna do for right now, just because it's not like a full drive with me. It's just kind of like, you know, just some light to put in the vlog. Yeah, if you guys want me to do like a full favorite songs of the month, or like more like playlist type videos, like let me know, because I like doing them. I'm finally here. It felt like the longest drive in my life. I've definitely been in like worse rush hour traffic though. I'm so tired, I'm so hungry, I'm fasting, and I just want to eat already.
Whiskey trickle down the sway. Close my tab and hit your place.
We're going to eat at some Indonesian place. I don't even care at this point.
Stumble through the swivel gates. That doorman on the way. Golden elevator ways.
And I didn't vlog when I got here, but we just ate, and it was pretty disappointing. I don't know why. Really disappointing. It just like did not hit the spot, you know. And then the dessert was a fail.
Everything missed the spot.
And then so now we went to 7-Eleven to get some snacks, and we're gonna do a mukbang later with our 2 items. Mukbang. I just told Sarah what it was.
Why is it called a mukbang?
Yeah, I don't really know. Also, I don't know why people find them enjoying, like just watching other people eat, but whatever works, I guess. And we still have to like build my bed, but we might not do that today.
I'm really determined to build your bed.
Okay, I guess we're doing it tonight. Because right now, the room just looks like we're having a bonfire. Like there's just so many wood pieces. And yeah, it's really dead out here. Alright.
Got man running.
Like it's usually Metro Boomin, but I guess it's Thursday, so. Guys, this is what I meant when I said a bonfire happening. Especially that one. Also, we're trying to figure out instructions, and literally, what is this?
Alright. You get that?
Good morning. So last night we just built my bed, and then we knocked out. I don't really vlog anything, and I don't really want to show it right now because it looks like my bed definitely needs like pillows and stuff. Like it looks kind of dead. I'm just gonna do quick makeup and fix my hair a little bit. It's pretty gloomy outside, and low-key looks like it's about to rain. I feel like I'm getting a cold. Maybe I'm just tired, I don't really know. And yeah, I have like some stuff to take care of, like an appointment, and then some other stuff. Like I gotta go make a copy of the keys, like stuff like that. It's pretty boring. I'm gonna start getting ready, and I'll catch y'all in a bit.
While it elevate, 40 stories up in space. 40 stories up in space, but I'm fiending for your energy. Snap out it when I'm sober. You used to be my lovely. The lovely days is over. Red love, hungover Sunday love. Come over, no stay love. Maybe someday, love, great love. Come over, no stay love. Hungover Sunday.
So I'm heading out now. I just finished getting ready. Just something light, nothing major. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. about to make this journey home now. I got the keys. But yeah, I'm gonna go on this drive now. Again, during rush hour, it's 4:40. Don't know why I play myself every time, but let's get it, guys. Also, I don't know if my camera is gonna stay up because I don't know if it's gonna stay up because it's literally I need a car mount so bad. It's literally on with duct, or no, not even duct tape, packaging tape. So we'll see what happens. I don't really know.
Snap out it when I'm sober. You used to be my lovely, but them lovely days.
So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you know every time I post. Definitely gonna be more active over the summer. Give this video a thumbs up, it'll really help me out. And comment what you guys are doing over the summer. I have like a few more weeks of vacation until like school again because I'm taking summer session. So let me know what you guys are doing. I need some ideas because I'm trying to enjoy my break while I have it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.